if you don't have mouse and you are facing lot of problem on the Google Chrome to open tab and close tab, how you use the your cursor and then you open new tab and close new tab. You are right way. Okay, today I discuss few some important useful Google Chrome shortcut key. It is very useful. If you will watch this video till end, definitely you you learn a lot. Okay, let's start. Okay, if you want to open a new tab on your Google Chrome, just you press two keys. Okay, one is control and other is T. When you press control plus T, your new tab will open. Okay, second one is if you want to close any current open tab, just you press control plus W, your current open tab will close. Okay, automatic my tab is closed. Okay, suppose that I am open this website and suddenly by mistake lot of work I have done, but suddenly my tab is closed, but I want to reopen closed tab. How to open? Just you press control plus shift plus T. Okay, this shortcut key I think very useful key. Okay, if you want to close any tab, you press control plus W, and if you want to open a new tab, press control plus T. And third one is important and very useful, control shift plus T. I think this is very useful actually. When you work any Google Chrome tab and then suddenly your Google Chrome tab that current tab will close, then how to open that tab? Just you click control plus T and then your closed current closed tab opened. Okay, fourth one is also very important shortcut key. If you are in last tab and you want to go first tab, how will go? Okay, just you press control plus 1, you can see here on the top. Okay, if one by one you can switch tab. If you want to second tab, just press control plus 2. Okay, control plus 3, control plus 4, control plus 5. You can switch one tab to another tab. Okay, if you are anywhere but you want to go last tab, just you press control plus 9. Okay, okay, other important keyword is control plus J. Okay, what is control plus J? What happen when you press control plus J? uh, if you have download so many file and photos whatever, but you want to open that file. Okay, so how to open? You have to go back and then it means you have follow the path, but here I am discuss with you. Just you press Control plus J and you can see whatever you have download. You can open from after press of the Control and Z. Okay. Okay. Third one is Control plus L. What happen when you press Control plus L? You can go your address bar, or if you are working uh, as a web developer and you want to copy the address of any website, then you go directly Control plus L and then copied it Control plus C, then you will use. Next shortcut key is Control plus H. I think you know this shortcut key, but I share with you. If no don't know, you can see the Google Chrome Task Manager. Just you click Shift plus Escape. Okay, you can see here what is running in your computer. I think who is studying operating system and computer organization, this control key is very important. Okay, there you can see the in my browser uh, WhatsApp running and Google Chrome. Okay, if you are working, if you want to see the source code of any website, just you press Control plus U. You can see here this is source file which is written in HTML, CSS and Java script. Okay, if you are press Control plus tab, you can see you escape one tab to another tab, uh, right side. Okay, these 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 are very important shortcut key. If you want to know more, just you go first. I want to share with you, if you are using computer or laptop or desktop, you want to know the useful shortcut key, just you go in this. You can see there in right corner there are three dot. You have to click and you can see some shortcut key which is very useful. I think told you about Control plus T. When you press Control plus T, then your new tab will be open. This is very useful uh, shortcut key. And second one, if you want to open a new window, just you click Control plus N. Okay, and you can say see here history, and you want to see the downloaded files, you can just click Control plus J. Okay, and if you want to print your web page, just you press Control plus P. Okay, if you want to go through the all shortcut key, I will give you a link in the description box. You can check, and you can check there are a lot of shortcut key. This 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 145 shortcut key in this file. I give you in description box. You will download and uh, or you can see. Okay.